we are going to solve the problem of palindrome number on LeetCode. The problem statement is, given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome number. What is palindrome number? Basically, here we have to identify whether the integer is palindrome or not. Palindrome means the number which remains the same even if we reversed its digits. Here they have given one example as if x is equal to 1 to 1. Now if we reversed its digits, that is 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 here, so it will remain the same, it will not change. Now what will happen in case of 10? The integer given is 10, that is 10. If we convert it, if we reverse it, it will become 01, which is not same. So this is not a palindrome. So basically what we have to do, if the number is palindrome, we have to return true. If the number is not palindrome, we have to return false. So we will see step by step solution. What is the step 1 here? Our logic is, we have got an integer via function argument x here, right? So we will convert it into a string, so we can iterate through it. Then we will reverse this string and store it in some variable. Let's call it as some reverse string. See, I will execute the first step here. So firstly we have to use the typecasting concept, and we have to convert the integer into the string. Right. So this command will convert the integer x into string x. Now we will reverse this string in order to reverse the digits of the number. We will call it as a reverse string. Yeah, we are calling it as a reversed string, and now here we have to reverse the string. But in the Python there is no, or maybe we don't know the function to directly convert the string into the reversed string. So what we will do, we will use the concept of string formatting to convert the string into the reverse string. Basically what we will do, we will take each character of the string starting from the last index to the first index, right? And in the string there are two ways to give the indexes. How? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Or if we are coming from the last index, we can give the indexes as -1, -2, -3 till minus of the length of the string. Okay, if you don't know much about this concept, you can see in the Python documents. See how I am doing here. Right. Here in the first step, here I haven't given anything, so it will automatically consider the highest index possible. This is the concept of string formatting. Yeah, it will easy to you to search. Now the further steps are, compare whether the reversed string and original string are same. So we have to check what is happening if we reversed the digit. So we will use the conditional statement here. We will check whether the string is equal to our reversed string or not. And if the string is equal to our reversed string, then the number is palindrome, right? 1 to 1 will be equal to 1 to 1. So we have to return true here. Now, else in other cases, means if string is not equal to the reversed string, then what we will do? We will simply return false, right? Let's run our code. Okay, our code run. Now all the steps are completed. Here we have checked whether the string is equal to original, reversed string is equal to original string or not, and if it is satisfying the condition, we have returned true. So in this way you can do the palindrome number program.